Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine and in good health. This is your English class. Now, few days when you came to school, we were covering the basics of English, right? So you have studied some basics of English and grammar. That was your parts of speech. So from today, we will be starting your again online classes, and in that we will be starting with your honeysuckle. And we had already informed to you even in school that from next class we will be doing your honeysuckle chapters. Okay, so today, as this is your honeysuckle book, okay, and in that today we will be covering your first chapter, that is first unit, that is who did Patrick's homework. Okay, now as you can see over here, you are having two chapters in one unit. You will be having two chapters in one unit. One will be a story and another will be a poem. Okay, poem is the poem that you call. We pronounce it as poem also. Okay, so here you have in the first unit as story. The first is story, which is who did Patrick's homework, and you have a poem that is a house, a home. Okay, so we will be starting with the first unit, that is who did Patrick's homework. Now, this is one question that might be coming in your mind also. That what do you mean by this? Who did Patrick's homework? Yes. Now tell me one thing, that did you ever give your homework to someone else to complete? Maybe your brother, maybe your sister, maybe your friend, maybe your parents. Have you ever done this? That you gave someone else to complete your homework? Okay, then tell me, do you feel lazy in doing the homework? Yes, sometimes, even in school, when you used to come and the teacher used to give homework, you used to say, that ma'am, so much of homework, we cannot complete this much homework. I'm sorry, we were not able to do the homework. So all these things are going on, isn't it? So same way, over here, we are going to learn about one boy whose name is Patrick. What's the name? Name of the boy is Patrick, and it says who did Patrick's homework. So sometimes as you also feel lazy in doing the homeworks, here the Patrick also don't like doing the homework. Now Patrick को homework करना अच्छा नहीं लगता, तो क्या लगता है आपको, किसने homework किया होगा पैट्रिक का? उसके भाई ने, उसके बहन ने, उसके मम्मी ने या उसके पापा ने? किसने homework किया होगा? वो कैसे पता चलेगा हमें? Yes, जब हम चैप्टर को पढ़ेंगे. Yes, so let's start the story of who did Patrick's homework. Now see, I am sitting with a textbook, right? इसका मतलब आप लोगों को भी textbook के साथ बैठना है. Okay, take these classes as if they are your life classes only. जैसे आप कैसे स्कूल में आते हो, टीचर के पास बुक होती है, आपके पास बुक होती है, and what we all do, we all open the chapter, we read, we understand, and the teacher explains, isn't it? ये हमारे स्कूल में होता था ना? तो आप इसको भी ऐसे ही समझो, that I am sitting with a textbook. इसका मतलब students, you also have to sit with the textbooks. So all of you open this unit 1 and who did Patrick's homework. Now when I am reading, even your eyes should be on the line which I am reading, and then listen to the explanation. तो ऐसे आपको difficult भी नहीं होगा online classes, और आपको समझ भी आएगा. Okay, so I hope you are ready. Yes, so let's start. The first paragraph. Patrick never did homework. Too boring, he said. So Patrick, this boy, he never did homework. He was always like, it's so boring to do homework. What you study in school, I have to write the same thing at home. It is so boring. So what Patrick did? Patrick, he never did his homework. Okay? And he felt it boring. कि यार ये कौन homework करेगा बार बार, right? He played hockey and basketball and Nintendo instead. So what he used to do? He used to play hockey, he used to play basketball, he used to play Nintendo. See now, Nintendo, this is a video game. Nintendo is a video game. Okay, students? So this Patrick also, he every time used to go out to play and he never did the homework. Now, is it a good thing that he did? Tell me. He didn't do homework. Was it a good thing? Obviously not. Now, is it okay that every time you keep on playing and you don't complete the work? No, if you are playing game, okay. But you should even complete your work, right? Now, as we said that you are having online classes. Now, you will be getting some or the other work every day to complete. Am I right? So, what is your job? Your job is to complete the CWs, right? Or you will continuously play it staying at home. No, if you continuously do that, when you come back to school, it will be difficult for you. So, same way this boy, he kept on playing every time. Okay? His teachers told him, Patrick, do your homework or you won't learn a thing. So what teachers used to say, Patrick? That Patrick, do the homework, do the homework. You will not learn anything if you don't do the homework. They every time used to tell him that you have to anyhow do it. You have to anyhow do it. Right? And it's true. Sometimes he did feel like an ignoramus. But what could he do? He hated homework. See, ignoramus means what? Ignoramus means feeling ignorant. As if someone is ignoring you. Ignoring means ध्यान ही नहीं दे रहा था कोई. उसको कभी-कभी ऐसा लगता था कि उसके टीचर्स उस पे ध्यान ही नहीं दे रहे हैं. अब उसके टीचर्स उस पे क्यों ध्यान नहीं दे रहे हैं? क्यों? क्योंकि वो कभी भी होमवर्क करके नहीं लाता था. और अगर वो होमवर्क करके नहीं लाता, क्या उसको कुछ आएगा क्लास में? कुछ नहीं आएगा ना. वो सिर्फ टीचर की शक्ल ही देखते रहेंगे. Yes. So फिर Patrick thought sometimes that he felt ignoramus, that everybody is ignoring him. But what could he do? Can he do anything in this? No. Why? Because he hated doing homework. If he hates doing the homework, why will he do it? Is it a good thing? Tell me. अगर आपको होमवर्क करना अच्छा नहीं लगता है, तो आप होमवर्क नहीं करोगे. आपको पढ़ाई अच्छी नहीं लगती, तो आप नहीं पढ़ोगे. That is wrong. Yes, but Patrick thought that if I hate doing the homework, I am not going to do. So, everybody tried saying Patrick, but Patrick did not do the homework. Come to the second paragraph. Then one day he found his cat playing with a little doll and he grabbed it away. So now what happened one day? This Patrick saw that he had one cat. He had one cat as a pet. So he saw that his cat was playing with a doll. Now you tell me one thing. If a cat is playing with a doll, what will happen? Yes, cats have nails, right? So there would be scratches on the doll, right? Because of the nails, or even the cat may destroy the doll. So what did Patrick do? Patrick grabbed away. Grabbed means, holding something like this. Holding suddenly something in the hands. So Patrick just grabbed the doll from cat. To his surprise, it wasn't a doll, but a man of the tiniest size. Oh my God. Now the cat, it was not playing with a doll. When Patrick holded the doll in the hand, where he saw, he was shocked that it's not a doll, it's a tiniest man. Tiniest means very small in size. Very small in size. Okay, it was a very tiny man. Around this much. You can see in the picture. It means it was a man living, right? He had a little wool shirt with old-fashioned breeches and a high tall hat, much like witches. So, what was the dress of this tiny man? What did he wear? A woolen shirt. Okay, a woolen shirt and old-fashioned breeches. Breeches means, the olden times, the pants they used to wear. Right? So that tiny man was wearing those pants and a hat like this. Do you see this hat? Now this hat seems like a witch, no? Which, if you see any cartoon or anything, the witch, the bad evil lady, they wear a hat like this, no, with a cone shaped, right? So he had a hat just like a witch. He yelled, "Save me! Don't give me back to the cat. I'll grant you a wish. I promise you that." So now what the tiny man was screaming? Yell. Yell means screaming. What is the meaning of yell, students? Scream. कभी कभी हम भी चिल्लाते हैं ना, कुछ बोलो, किसी को हम बुलाते हैं, कोई सुन नहीं रहा होता है, तो हम चिल्लाते हैं ना कभी कभी, right? So same way, that tiny man, he yelled. He was screaming. And what was he screaming? He was saying, "Save me, save me, save me." Right? And what he said, "Don't give me back to the cat." Why was he saying, "Don't give me back to the cat"? Because obviously, if he knew that, if cat would have this tiny man, cat would eat, no? Cat would eat any small, tiniest thing they see, right? So this tiny man was saying, "Don't give me back to the cat." And if you don't give me back to the cat, what he said to the Patrick? He said, "Patrick, that I will grant you a wish." It means, I promise that I will fulfill your one wish if you save me from the cat. अब ये कहानी थोड़ी अलादीन के जिन जैसी हो गई ना? Do you remember? Do you know the story of Aladdin? That he had one magic lamp and he used to rub and there used to be a jinn coming out, right? And he used to grant wish to the Aladdin. Right? Same way over here, this tiny man, he said, "Patrick, that I will grant you a wish. I grant you a wish. And I will fulfill your wish if you save me from the cat." So what do you think? अब Patrick को तो एक अच्छा chance मिल गया ना? Now you tell me that if you had a chance, that if someone says you that I will grant you a wish, what would you do? What wish would you make if someone gives you a chance like this? Let us see what Patrick did. Come to the third paragraph. Patrick couldn't believe how lucky he was. Here was the answer to all of his problems. So now Patrick was feeling very lucky. Now, why was he feeling so lucky? Because it was just like a magic that he's give me a one wish to make, right? So he said, "Only if you do all my homework till the end of the semester, that's 35 days, if you do a good enough job, I could even get A's." So now what was the wish that Patrick was making? अब पैट्रिक को तो होमवर्क करना बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं लगता था. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? पैट्रिक कौन सा विश मांगता? कि कोई आके बस मेरी बुक कंप्लीट कर दे, ताकि मेरे टीचर को लगे कि हाँ मैंने बुक कंप्लीट की है, मुझे A ग्रेड आ जाएगा और मैं पास हो जाऊंगा. राइट? ये 35 डेज बाकी थे सेमेस्टर खत्म होने के. सेमेस्टर मीन्स टर्म. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ सेमेस्टर, स्टूडेंट्स? टर्म. 6 months. सेमेस्टर 6 months का होता है ना, और हमारा 1 term, 2nd term भी 6 months का होता है ना. सेम वे सेमेस्टर मीन्स 6 months. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, over here it says that if you do my homework for the next 35 days, मेरा सेमेस्टर खत्म हो जाएगा, मुझे अच्छा ग्रेड आ जाएगा. तो क्या करोगे? So now this is the wish that Patrick made. अब मुझे बताओ, क्या वो टाइनी मैन एक्सेप्ट कर लेगा उसकी विश? हाँ, टाइनी मैन एक्सेप्ट कर लेगा. क्या टाइनी मैन आप वो कर लेगा कि हाँ मैं होमवर्क करूंगा, मुझे बचा लो? मे बी यस. व्हाट डू यू थिंक टाइनी मैन वुड डू? वुड ही से यस टू द विश? यस, ही वुड से यस. ही डिडंट हैव एनी ऑप्शन. अगर वो यस नहीं कहता तो पैट्रिक वापस उसको कैट को दे देता. राइट? फिर कैट की वजह से उसको खतरा होता ना. सो दिस टाइनी मैन, ही डिडंट हैव एनी ऑप्शन. The little man's face wrinkled like a dishcloth thrown in the hamper. So अब ये बात सुनकर टाइनी मैन का चेहरा कैसे हो गया था? It was wrinkled. What do you mean by wrinkled? Wrinkle means, do you see on the face some lines comes? Yes? When we grow old, if you see a grandmother, they would be having some lines on the faces. ना उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Wrinkles बोलते हैं हम उसको. Okay? So टाइनी मैन ने भी ऐसा फेस बनाया और it looked like dishcloth thrown in the hamper. What is the meaning of dishcloth? Dishcloth means जो कपड़े हम धोने के लिए निकालते हैं ना, कैसे गंदे होते हैं हमारे कपड़े. yes? तो जो कपड़े हम धोने के लिए निकालते हैं ना, हम उसको बोलते हैं डिश क्लॉथ. व्हाट डू यू कॉल इट? डिश क्लॉथ. यस. So thrown in the hamper. Hamper का मीनिंग हम वो धोने के लिए कपड़े ऐसे बास्केट में डालते हैं ना, बास्केट होता है उसमें हम कपड़े डालते हैं धोने के लिए. So वो कपड़े कैसे हो जाते हैं, एकदम वो रिंकल रिंकल वाले कपड़े हो जाते हैं ना, वो स्ट्रेट आयर्नड क्लोथ्स नहीं रहते क्योंकि वो धोने के लिए रखे होते हैं हमने, है ना. तो वो कपड़े कैसे गंदे उसकी हालत हो जाती है, वैसी उसकी शक्ल हो गई थी. किसकी? टाइनी मैन की शक्ल हो गई थी. He kicked his legs and doubled his fists, and he grimaced and scowled and pursed his lips. Oh, I'm cursed, but I will do it. See, he kicked his legs. Kicked his legs means, he was kicking. And doubled his fists. And he grimaced. Doubled his fists. Means he holded his hands like this. He doubled his fists means he holded his hands like this. And he grimaced and scowled. Grimaced and scowled and pursed his lips. It's a expression of anger. See, grimaced and scowled and pursed his lips. हम गुस्सा आता तो हमारा चेहरा कैसे हो जाता है, हम अपने hands को ऐसे कर देते हैं ना. We hold our hands like this, right? So he holded his hands like this and he was eyes, his face, and he lips हम कैसे अपने होठों को दबा देते हैं, and anger, right? So his whole face was like that. Okay, and what he said, oh, I am cursed. Cursed का मतलब क्या होता है? What's the meaning of cursed? We curse someone, no? In Hindi we call it baddua. What do you call it in Hindi? We call it baddua. So कभी कभी हम किसी को baddua मतलब देते हैं ना कोई. So tiny man is saying that I feel मुझे किसी ने baddua दे दी, I am cursed. Okay, but what he said, I will do it. So tiny man agreed to do the homework. And why did he agree to do the homework? Because he wanted to save himself from the cat. Right? तो अब कुछ भी हो जाए, अब उसने एक विश का कहा है. अब क्या विश मांगी है पैट्रिक ने? पैट्रिक ने विश मांगी है कि मेरा होमवर्क करना है फॉर द नेक्स्ट 35 days. सो टाइनी मैन, भले उसको बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा था, लेकिन टाइनी मैन ने एग्री कर दिया कि ओके, आई विल ग्रांट द विश. Now come to the next page. That is your 5th paragraph. Now tell me one thing. Till 4th paragraph, did you understand or not? If you didn't understand, अगर कोई ना बोल रहा है तो रिवाइंड करो वीडियो को और वापस से देखो यहाँ तक, 4th पैराग्राफ तक. समझ आया आपको? मैं वापस से शॉर्ट में समरी बोलती हूँ, ठीक है, कि 4th पैराग्राफ में होता क्या है. See, we were talking in the beginning about a boy called Patrick, and he always hated doing homework. His teachers always told him, Patrick, do the homework, otherwise you will fail. But Patrick did not like to do the homework. Now one day what happened? One day he saw his cat playing with a doll. Okay. So now what he thought, this cat would damage the doll, so he snatched the doll from cat. When he snatched and he saw, he was shocked. There was one tiny man. Okay. And now the tiny man was saying, please save me, I will grant you a wish. Now Patrick thought, wow, I'm so lucky that I got someone like this at the end of the semester. So Patrick made a wish that you have to complete my homework for the next 35 days. Okay. Now the tiny man, he had no option other than completing the work. Right? Come to the 5th paragraph. And true to his word, that little elf began to do Patrick's homework. Except there was one glitch. The elf didn't always know what to do and he needed help. So, and true to his words. Now, true to his words means the elf. See, the little elf means, what is the meaning of elf? Tiny man. Okay, so what are you going to call this little man now? Elf. The little elf. Okay, so the tiny man, he started doing Patrick's homework, but there was a glitch. What is the meaning of glitch? Glitch means a fault. See, a fault in a machine or anything, but over here we mean a problem. What is the meaning of glitch? Problem. What was the problem? Now obviously, if you tell your mother to do the homework, will she know what is going on in your class? No. she'll have to ask you, no? That tell me what is going on, tell me what I have to complete, then only she'll be able to do, no? Right? So same way. Now this elf, he didn't know anything. He didn't know anything. What to do the homework, how to do the homework, nothing. So he always wanted help from Patrick. The elf didn't always know what to do and he needed help. Help me, he had said. And Patrick would have to help in whatever way. अब मुझे एक बात बताओ, अगर आपका होमवर्क कोई और कर रहा है और उसको हेल्प चाहिए तो आपको बताना तो पड़ेगा ना कि हाँ ये बुक में लिखना है, ये चैप्टर लिखना है, ये ऐसे करना है, वो ऐसे करना है, आपको बताना तो पड़ेगा ना उसको. Right? So same way, Patrick, now this elf was asking for help. So this Patrick had to help, no? Yes, Patrick had to help. So Patrick had no other option other than helping the little elf. I don't know this word. The elf squeaked while reading Patrick's homework. So now, this elf squeaked means again he screamed. Again he screamed. Again he screamed while reading. Okay, now he was reading and he screamed. Why he screamed? He said, I don't know this meaning. I don't know this word. What is this? So now what he said, get me a dictionary. No, what's even better? Look up the word and sound it out by each letter. So now what the elf said, that give me a dictionary now. Give me a dictionary, you read the word and you tell me what is the meaning of this word. अब मुझे एक बात बताओ, ज्यादा काम कौन कर रहा है इसमें, पैट्रिक या एल्फ? ऑब्वियसली पैट्रिक ही तो सब काम कर रहा है ना. पैट्रिक डिक्शनरी लाएगा, पैट्रिक ये वर्ड ढूंढेगा, पैट्रिक उसका मीनिंग समझाएगा एल्फ को. अब इससे तो अच्छा पैट्रिक ही होमवर्क कर लेता. बट उसको क्या था, नहीं मैं तो होमवर्क नहीं करूंगा, मुझे तो नहीं अच्छा लगता होमवर्क करना. बट एक्चुअली हु वाज डूइंग ऑल द वर्क? पैट्रिक ओनली वाज डूइंग ऑल द वर्क. द एल्फ ओनली डिड द राइटिंग वर्क. Okay, when it came to maths, Patrick was out of luck. What are timetables? The elf shrieked. Again screamed. Okay, ये किसका लैंग्वेज की बात कर रहे थे हम लोग? We talked about English subject. In English subject, that little elf, he did not know the meanings of the word. He knew nothing. तो उसको पैट्रिक हेल्प कर देता था. अब मैथ्स की बारी आई. अब मैथ्स में तो एल्फ बोलता था, What is timetables? एल्फ को तो टाइम टेबल्स आती ही नहीं है. टाइनी मैन था, इट वाज फ्रॉम डिफरेंट प्लेस, राइट? सो एल्फ सेड, आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज अ टाइम टेबल. व्हाट इज टाइम टेबल्स? वी एल्व्स नेवर नीड दैट. सो वी एल्व्स मीन्स उसके जैसे कितने सारे टाइनी मैन्स होंगे ना. सो दिस टाइनी मैन सेड दैट हम लोगों को कभी टाइम टेबल्स की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है, हम क्यों लर्न करें ये सब, मुझे नहीं आता ये सब. अब मैथ्स का होमवर्क कौन करता? हाँ, मैथ्स का होमवर्क कौन करता? And addition and subtraction and division and fractions. Here, sit down beside me. You simply must guide me. अब ये addition, ये subtraction, ये division, ये fraction, तो ये तो elf ने बोला मुझे नहीं आता है. Sit with me and tell me what to do, how to write, and then only I'll be able to do the homework. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? इंग्लिश में तो पैट्रिक ने हेल्प किया, अब मैथ्स में भी पैट्रिक को हेल्प करना है. Right? Elves know nothing of human history. To them, it's a mystery. अब किसकी बारी आई? हिस्ट्री की बारी आई. अब आपको हिस्ट्री का सब्जेक्ट आता है ना साइंस में, सोशल साइंस में, ज्योग्राफी, सिविक्स एंड हिस्ट्री, राइट? सो नाउ इन हिस्ट्री व्हाट वी स्टडी, व्हाट हैपेंड इन द ओल्डन डेज, है ना? हम पढ़ते हैं ना इंडियन हिस्ट्री में क्या हुआ है, ये नहीं हुआ है. ओके, सो अब ये एल्फ बोलता है कि वी एल्व्स, इट मीन्स वी टाइनी मैन डोंट नो व्हाट इज देयर इन द ह्यूमन हिस्ट्री. हमें नहीं पता कि आप लोग हिस्ट्री में क्या पढ़ते हो. मुझे हमारे लिए तो ये सब मिस्ट्री है. मिस्ट्री मीन्स समथिंग दैट इज अ पजल, राइट? सो द लिटिल एल्फ, ऑलरेडी अ शाउटर, जस्ट गॉट लाउडर. नाउ ये एल्फ, he was a shouter, no? बार बार वो scream करता था ना, I don't know this word, I don't know what is timetable. Oh, he used to scream every time. Now he became very loud. What he said to the Patrick now? Go to the library, I need books. more and more books, and you can help me read them too. Now, Elf got very angry. Elf got very angry. Now, Elf told Patrick, go to the library right now, bring me as many books as you can, and you have to help me. You read all the books and tell me what I have to do. Now, Elf said this to Patrick. अब Patrick को help तो करना ही था ना. अच्छा, Elf ने बोला था मैं homework करूंगा, लेकिन homework कब करता? जब उसे आता तब homework करता है ना. अब उसके लिए Patrick को help तो करनी ही पड़ेगी, right? As a matter of fact, every day in every way, that little elf was a nag. Okay. Now, one who troubles someone all the time while complaining, asking them to do something. Nag. That is the meaning of nag. Now, as a matter of fact, what happened every day, every time, this little elf, he needed help from Patrick. And he was like a nag. He was a nag. Nag means, वो होता है ना कभी-कभी बार-बार मतलब, okay. If you are having a younger brother or sister, आप दोनों कोई काम करने के लिए साथ में बैठते हो, तो बार बार वो डिस्टर्ब करते हैं ना, ये कैसे करना है, वो कैसे करना है, what should I do, what to do, ये बार बार अगर कोई आपसे सवाल करेगा तो आप इरिटेट हो जाओगे ना. आप बोलोगे ना तुम्हें जो आता है करो, ऐसे बोलेंगे ना लास्ट में हम, right? So same way, the one who troubles every time by asking something or the other, that person is called a nag. What do you call them? A nag. Okay. So now this little elf, he was a nag, no? Nag. Okay, this little elf was a nag. Why? Because he every time troubled Patrick. ये बताओ, वो बताओ, ये कैसे करना है, वो कैसे करना है. Patrick was working harder than ever and was a drag. Now, what was something uninteresting? Though it was, very uninteresting to do the homework for Patrick, but what happened? Patrick was working harder. Till now, did ever Patrick work hard to do his homework? Did he even try to do the homework? No. Patrick never tried to do the homework. Right? So now, because of the elf, every time this Patrick was working hard, every time he worked hard, he was staying up nights, had never felt so tired, was going to school with his eyes puffed and blurry. What happened, students? Now, he used to stay up nights means he used to, stay, late night. He used to study. He used to read for the elf to complete the work. Now, he used to feel tired also. Why? Because now he was doing even the homework, no? So, homework karte-karte kabhi-kabhi thak jate hai na? So, what is the meaning of weary? It means tired. And he was going to school with eyes puffed. Puffed means, see, surled. आप रात को जगते हो तो आंखें फुल जाती है ना आपकी, so we call it puffed. His eyes puffed. Okay, so उसकी आंखें भी ऐसे फुली हुई दिखती थी, and blurry means dim, as if he worked so hard and is coming to school. वो ऐसा दिखने लगा था पैट्रिक. Why? Because elf तो बस लिखने का काम करता होगा ना, ज्यादा से ज्यादा काम समझने का, समझाने का काम कौन कर रहा था? पैट्रिक कर रहा था. इससे तो अच्छा क्या होता? पैट्रिक only did the homework, right? Finally, the last day of school arrived and the elf was free to go. Now finally it was the last day of the school. Okay, and what he said, that at the last day of the school, elf can leave. So elf was very happy that yes, I'm free to go. As for homework, there was no more. So he quietly and slyly slipped out back door. Slyly means secretly. Slyly means secretively. So what happened? Now as the promise was over, as the wish was over, that usko homework karna tha 35 days ke liye. So ab elf ka homework, ab koi homework hona nahi tha, right? So elf ne kya kiya? बिना पैट्रिक को बताए secretly वो चला गया. ठीक है? Back door से वो चला गया. Patrick got his A's. His classmates were amazed. His teachers smiled and were full of praise. So now, Patrick, अब बताओ मुझे, ये होमवर्क पूरा किसने किया था? पूरा होमवर्क तो एल्फ ने किया था. अब मार्क्स किसको मिले? Yes, Patrick got his A's, right? it means that Patrick passed the semester. Everybody was proud of Patrick, right? So now we will see in the last two paragraphs how everybody was happy with Patrick, and now finally will Patrick learn to do the homework or not? ये हम last two paragraphs में next video में पढ़ेंगे, ठीक है? So in the next video we will see what Patrick did and how he did all the work and the homeworks. Okay, students? And will he promise himself to do the homework by himself? या तो फिर next year भी कोई else को बुलाएगा homework करने के लिए? Okay? So we will study this in the next video with the exercise. Okay? Till then, जितना हमने किया है उतना आपको read करना है. You have to read it and you have to find it out. You have to learn. You have to understand the meanings as well. And still, if you have any problem, you can ask in the comment section. Okay? So see you soon with the next video.